Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download 4K Marvel movies from Disney Plus so you can enjoy high-quality content offline. Disney Plus offers a wide selection of Marvel movies in 4K resolution, but there are a few things you need to know in order to download them. Let's jump into the details. Step 1. Ensure you have a Disney Plus subscription. To download movies from Disney Plus, you need to have an active subscription. Additionally, to access 4K content, you need a 4K compatible device and an internet speed that supports 4K streaming. Here's what you need. Disney Plus subscription. Make sure your Disney Plus account is active and you're subscribed to a plan that offers 4K content. 4K compatible device. You'll need a device that supports 4K streaming. This includes 4K TVs, some smartphones, tablets, and compatible streaming devices. High-speed internet. To stream or download 4K content smoothly, you need a stable internet connection with a speed of at least 25 megabits per second. Step 2. Check for 4K Marvel movies. Not all movies on Disney Plus are available in 4K, but many Marvel films are. Here's how to find them. Open the Disney Plus app. Launch the Disney Plus app on your device or go to the Disney Plus website. Search for Marvel movies. Search for your favorite Marvel movies, such as Avengers, Endgame, Black Panther, Spider-Man, No Way Home, etc. Look for the 4K badge. When browsing through a movie, you'll usually see a 4K logo or a note in the movie description indicating it's available in Ultra HD 4K. Make sure to look for that. Step 3. Download the 4K Marvel movies. Once you've found a 4K Marvel movie, it's time to download it. Disney Plus allows downloads through its app for offline viewing, but there are some limitations. Open the Disney Plus app. On your mobile device or tablet, open the Disney Plus app. Unfortunately, Disney Plus doesn't allow direct 4K downloads on computers. Find the movie. Search for the Marvel movie you want to download, and make sure it's available in 4K. Tap the download icon. If the movie is available for download, you'll see the download icon, a downward arrow. Tap on it to start downloading the movie. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, as these files can be quite large. Enable high-quality downloads. To ensure the video is downloaded in 4K, go to the Settings section of the app and under Downloads, select High Quality for video downloads. This will prioritize the best resolution available. Wait for the download to complete. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, the download may take some time. You can monitor the progress in the Download section of the Disney Plus app. Step 4. Watch your 4K Marvel movies offline. Once the download is complete, you can access the movie directly from the Downloads section in the Disney Plus app. Go to Downloads. Open the Disney Plus app and go to your Downloads section. Play the movie. Tap the 4K Marvel movie you just downloaded, and it will play directly from your device without the need for an internet connection. Step 5. Alternative method using third-party tools for PC. If you want to download 4K Marvel movies directly to your computer, you'll need third-party tools, such as StreamFab Disney Plus Downloader, since the Disney Plus app for desktop doesn't support direct downloads in 4K. Download and install StreamFab. Download and install StreamFab Disney Plus Downloader on your computer. Log in and find the movie. Open the downloader and log in to your Disney Plus account. Search for the Marvel movie you want to download in 4K. Choose 4K resolution. Select the 4K resolution option in the downloader settings, then start the download. Watch on your PC. Once the movie is downloaded in 4K, you can watch it on your computer using any media player that supports 4K playback.